So it's 8 o'clock Sunday morning on a cold winter's day, and I'm embarking on a 30-mile run along the Thames in preparation for the Grand Union Canal Race. So it's got to be done, so hopefully finish between sometime around 3 o'clock. But London is looking very beautiful this time of day, nice and quiet, but I'm pretty sure it won't stay quiet. But let's see how it goes today. Just trying to take it easy, run at a pace that I know I can keep doing for hours, but let's go. That's why I love running for London. You get to see all the sights. Here we have the Globe Theatre. Across the river we have St. Paul's Cathedral. So it's not a boring run. The thing about these runs is it's in the middle of winter. It's 23 weeks or 24 weeks to the Grand Union Canal Race, and it's just one of those training runs you have to do, want to do. And just all builds towards being able to do something longer. So you get yourself out of bed and you keep running and you go out for a run. Very long run, but it all builds towards something longer and harder. And that's the beauty. So if you are training for something long and hard, you just got to go out and do it. Get the training and get the time on your feet. I've come across so many people who try these ultras, these long challenges, and they've hardly done any training. And the chance of them succeeding is greatly reduced. And they start struggling even just halfway through. So if you are planning to do something long and hard, you've got to get out on days like this and just run. Just run. And try to find somewhere really nice, because it does make it a lot easier. If you want to come and see London when it's nice and quiet, then I suggest 8 o'clock Sunday morning when it's very cold. It's just very, very quiet. There we have the Houses of Parliament. That's where the people who want to control how you live your life, tell you what you can and cannot do, hang out. So my advice, stay fit and strong and not give the control over to them. The more unhealthy, unwell you are, the more they have control over you. Stay free. I get asked, why do I want to get up at 6 o'clock on a Sunday morning and go out for a 30-mile run? A lot of it is having time to just focus on one thing. Think about things as you run and walk, straightening your head out. I hope you can hear me because it's very windy. But it's just an opportunity to relax and unwind mentally. And I go for a lot of scenarios in my head about things and how do I best word them, explain them, which is important as a coach, to be able to vocalize things to people so they understand that they can apply that knowledge to their best ability. So coming out for these runs Just gives me time to think about things, how to frame them, and you know, put things right, I suppose. Just got to 5 miles, Battersea Park behind me, and the River Thames, which will be ever present on this run. So 5 miles, 55 minutes, going a little bit quicker than I should really, because I won't be able to keep this up for 145 miles. So, but feeling good, going at a nice pace, just ticking over. My aim is to get to 10 miles at this pace and then reassess and see if I need to slow it down or keep it the same. But so far so good. So, just gone through Putney. It's a nice part of the river now, less high-rise buildings, more, you know, Victorian, Georgian type housing. But it's starting to be a very beautiful day. I've just gone through 10 miles, 1 hour 50. So it's more than 5 miles per hour pace, which is a lot quicker than I need to be doing. But it's feeling good. The day is beautiful. We've just gone past Barnes. Just another part of the Thames. So, a third of the way, another 20 miles to go. And I was thinking that, you know, physically, 30 miles is very doable. I've done it plenty of times before. It's more about the mental side now, the training. The reason I go long distances and will keep building up to 100 miles is just to get the mental side, to be able to say, right, I'm going to go for 30 hours, not 6 hours, but 30 hours, keep going for 30 hours. And that's where the mental side comes into it. Not easy, but this is what these runs are for, really. It's not the physical side, it's the mental side. Build the mental strength, and then you'll be able to apply the physical strength. So just keeping that pace, just ticking over, not changing anything, just spending time doing it, and it will build. 20 miles to go. I just stopped off in Barnes to grab some food at a Sainsbury's. This is the helpful thing running along the Thames in London, is there's a lot of places, aid stations along the way where you can pick up food and some more fluids. That means you don't have to carry so much on your back. Where I go running in the hills around Surrey, you have to carry everything with you for 6-7 hours. So got about the distance of the first aid station on the Grand Union Canal Race. So trying to match those aid stations, see if I can get there in a good time. And yeah, over a third of the way gone. It's just another 4 hours to go. So made it to 20 miles. Just gone past Richmond about 2 miles ago, and so 2/3 of the way and under 4 hours. So still keeping the same pace as when I started. Still a lot faster than I need to be doing, but it feels good. I'm running well, so might as well just carry on. Yeah, the sun's still out. It's got a lot quieter now along the footpath, Thames footpath. So 10 miles to go. Should do that in the next 2 hours. So should be finished by around 2 o'clock, which is good. But I might walk for a bit to just extend the time, because I should be running or moving for more than 6 hours. So maybe I'll just walk for a bit. But anyway, going well, and yeah, just got to keep it going. Well, made it to Hampton Bridge near Hampton Court. That's 25 miles in 4 hours 55, so still over 5 miles per hour pace. So that should, if I keep that pace up, that should get me in 30 hours on the Grand Canal. So I'm not going to be able to keep that up. So good though, feels good. My legs getting a bit tired now, but nearly run a marathon, and got about 5 miles left. So pretty pleased with that. Sorry about the wind. It's been windy all day. Right, speak to you at the end. So I've completed 30 miles, just over 6 hours, which is perfect. I started running 1.5 miles, walking half a mile, running 1.5 miles, walking half a mile, just to keep the pace down. And actually I feel quite good. I've still got a bit of running in me. Got 1 mile to go to the station and get on the train home. So overall very good. I've been walking on the Thames and I'm in a private estate, and they're not cheap houses at all, so a bit of money about here. This is the beauty of being on foot. You see places that you normally don't see because you're driving. But yeah, pleased with today. Nearly done. Another training run completed and in the bag. I just have to repeat this run another 4 times and I would have done the Grand Union Canal. 23 weeks to go, so on my way.